Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can make a quick view on your Shopify website. So first off, on the dashboard here, you just want to go on the upper right here, upper middle, sorry, and just search quick view, right? And then click on this, search quick view in Shopify store. It'll open a new tab right here. Give it a second to load. Now, once it's loaded, I'm going to pick this one because it's completely free, right? And then I'm going to click on install, and it's going to take me to another page again. And it'll show a UI here to say to install my app. Just click on install, right? And then wait for it to install. Here you go. It'll open a new window here to show your new app. So it's like this. Wait for it to load. Now, once it's loaded, you just want to click on this button here, turn on/off app, okay? And wait for it to load again. Now, it'll open the app embeds here, and you want to make sure the app embed is turned on like this. And you can't see it here, so we'll just go to done, and I'm going to click on the three dots here, and I'm going to click on view. On view, it'll open my store view, and here you can see the actual quick view here. If you hover over a product, it'll show up a UI here, and we can quick view, we can add to wishlist, or we can add to compare. If I click on quick view, it'll show a UI just like this.